So I'm right now done with this calculator project. So let me show you a demo whether it's working or not. So this is the project. Let me type 12 into 5. Yeah, it's working. As you can see, it's getting me the result. Even this delete button works. It actually deletes the last digit. Let me show you. Yeah, it's totally working. Even this is working. Let me show you something. Yeah, even this is working. Yeah, so it is working. Even so all of these buttons are working. So uh, let me look at the code right now. So this is all the code for this calculator project, and as you can see here, this is I'm in the app.js file. uh, this is the JSX file, as you can see, and these are right now all the functions when the user clicks on any button. So let me show you the CSS file. So this is all the CSS file for that, and yeah, so that is it. And in the main file, in the app.js file, I've written this JSX code, and over here I've separated two divs, one div is for operators and the other div is for digits. So let me show you. So this div is for operators and this is for digits. And for digits, it will actually be lengthy to write each and every button for all the numbers from 1 to 9. So what I've done is I've actually created a function of create digits, and I've actually used an array here. I've pushed the digits from 1 to 9 buttons inside this array, and I have returned that array. So this create digits function will be called here, and all of the buttons will come here from 1 to 9. So yeah, that is it. And for all the operators, I've written manually buttons on click is equal to all of these buttons. Yeah, even for 0 and dot. So this is the JSX part over here, and even for this display I have to show what the user has typed. So so for that I've used calc. For that, if the user has typed anything, it will show calc, or else it will just show a default as 0 value. And this result, if there's any result, then it will actually show you the result in the brackets, and if there's no result, it will just show it doesn't show anything. So this is all for the JSX file. Let me come through the functions right now. Imagine if the user has typed if the user has clicked on any button. So update calc, over here update calc function will be called, and the number will be converted into string. This is update calc function. Yeah, over here this is update calc function. So so in here we will set the calc. We will actually show the user what the user has entered. So for that we use set calc of calc plus value. Initially, if the user hasn't clicked on any button, this is the first time he's clicking on any digit, it will actually calc would not be anything. It would be an empty string, and that empty string will be appended to a value, and that value will be shown on the display. And if the operators, okay, this is the operators array. This has all the plus, minus, dot, divide by, into, and we need to check if the user has typed a digit or not. So for that, here if not operators dot include of value, that means if that value is not present in the operators, then we actually need to calculate. So for in the brackets we need to show the result, right? So for that, set result of eval, we use eval function here to solve the expression eval of calc plus value dot to string of. So this actually solves the expression and gets the result for that, and that result will be shown in front of us in the brackets. Yeah, so over here we have actually written this text, because if the user types in any operator before even entering any digit, it will actually return from here itself, so it doesn't go to these lines. And also if the user actually types in two operators continuously, it actually does not take the second operator. So that is also a check which is made here. And whenever the user clicks on is equal to button, actually this function gets triggered, constant calculate of. It actually sets the calc of it will actually evaluate this calc expression, and it will display the user the result. So yeah, that is it. And for the whenever the user clicks on the delete button, the delete last function will get triggered. If we will make a check here, if there is nothing to actually delete, then we just return, and or else we will store the variable by slicing off the last digit, and we will set the calc with that value. And yeah, if the user clicks on AC button, we need to actually delete everything that is being displayed. So we will set calc to an empty string and set result to 0. So here, yeah, here these are the hooks, calc of constant calc comma set calc. I've used these two to actually display the result and calculate the result. Yeah, these are the variables actually. So that is it for this actually. Thank you.